Hello students, welcome back to my channel that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will solve some more previous year questions on chapter Ratio and Proportion. These questions are frequently coming in our exams such as CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPU and GD of SSC. So let's get started. Question number 10. If A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2, B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4, C is to D is equal to 6 is to 9, and D is to E is equal to 12 is to 16, then A is to B is to C is to D is to E is equal to dash. Now here, listen, here it is given that A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2, and again B is to C, B is to C, that is equal to 3 is to 4. Now here B is 2 and here B is 3. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 2 and 3 is 6. That means here I have to multiply this with 3. So it becomes 3 is to 6. And again here I have to multiply it with 2. So it becomes 6 is to 8. Now here both B's are equal. Now next C is to D is 6 is to 9. C is to D is equal to 6 is to 9. Now here C is 8 and here C is 6. Now here listen, this can be written as 2 is to 3. That means after minimization it becomes 2 is to 3. Now here C is 8, here C is 2. That means if I have to multiply here with 4, then it becomes 8. So when 4 is multiplied with 2, it becomes 8, and when 4 is multiplied with 3, it becomes 12. Now D is to E, D is to E, that is equal to 12 is to 16. Now here listen, here D is 12 and here D is 12. That means both are equal. So now my ratios are 3 is to 6 is to 8 is to 12 is to 16. This means here option 4, here option 4 is the right answer. Here it should be 4. Option 4, here option 4 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 11. There are three numbers A, B, C such that twice A is equal to thrice B. Twice A is equal to thrice B. And 4 times B is equal to 5 times C. Then the ratio between A and C is, now here it can be written as, this implies A by B, that is equal to 3 by 2. And here again this can be written as B by C, that is equal to 5 by 4. So now A by B into B by C, so that is equal to 3 by 2 into 5 by 4. So here this B cancels this B. Now this implies A by C is equal to 3 5s are 15 and 2 4s are 8. So 15 by 8. That means here option 3 is the right answer. Now next question. Now before going to solve this question, one thing I must say, that the link of playlist of this chapter is given in the description section, so you can check the full chapter by clicking that link. Now question number 12. The ratio of boys and girls in a college is 5:3. If 50 boys leave the college and 50 girls join the college, the ratio becomes 9:7. The number of boys in the college is, now here boys, now boys is to girls is equal to 5:3. That means if boys is 5x, then girls is 3x. Now 50 boys leave the college, that means it is -50. And 50 girls join the college, that means it is +50. So that is equal to 9/7. Now after solving, that means excuse me, now cross multiplication. So 7 into 5, that is 35x. 35x minus 350 is equal to 27x plus 450. Now this implies 35x minus 27x, so that is equal to 450 plus 350. Now this implies 8x is equal to 800. So this implies x is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100. Originally the boys are 5x, so it is 5 into 100, that means 500. So number of boys in the college is 500. That means here option 3 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 13. A person distributes his pens among 4 friends A, B, C, D in the ratio 1/3 is to 1/4 is to 1/5 is to 1/6. What is the minimum number of pens that the person should have? Now here the person has 4 friends. So here A is to B is to C is to D. So that is equal to 1/3 is to 1/4 is to 1/5 is to 1/6. Now first I have to convert these fractions into whole numbers. So for converting these fractions into whole numbers, first we have to find out the LCM of denominator. Now LCM of denominator, here the denominators are 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here LCM is 60. Now you can find it by calculating. So here LCM is 60. That means we have to multiply each fraction with the LCM. So here LCM is equal to 60. Denominators, that means denominators are 3, 4, 5 and 6. So LCM of 3, 4, 5 and 6 is equal to 60. Now I have to multiply 60 with each fraction. So 1 by 3 into 60 is to 1 by 4 into 60 is to 1 by 5 into 60 is to 1 by 6 into 60. So here this 3, that means when 60 is divided by 3 it becomes 20, and when 60 is divided by 4 it becomes 15, and when 60 is divided by 5 it becomes 12, and when 60 is divided by 6 it becomes 10. That means the ratios are here. I have to write it as equal to. So that is equal to 20 is to 15 is to 12 is to 10. That means what is the minimum number of pens? That means if each friends is given their respective values, then that is the minimum number of pens. So here minimum number of pens is 20 plus 15 plus 12 plus 10. So that is equal to 57. So that means here option 1 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 14. If 18x and 50 are in continued proportion, then the value of x is here. This can be written as 18 is to x double is to x is to 50. Here product of extreme term is equal to product of min terms. Here these are the extreme terms and these are the min terms. So here x square is equal to 18 into 50. So this implies x square is equal to 900. So this implies x is equal to square root of 900. So that is equal to 30. That means your option 1 is the right answer. Now students, if you found this video helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icons to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.